These nocturnal moments have always been part of my life. Loneliness after a whole day of frenzy and stress, noise, work, when everyone is sleeping. This moment always arrives. Sometimes it can still be filled with worries and anxiety about unresolved issues. Sometimes it's more serene. But learning to manage this moment of solitude allows me to put my focus back, to find my lost line, to relax. I like doing repetitive chores, perhaps with a glass of wine and a television program in the background. Sometimes Charlie stays with me for a few moments just to check that everything is going well, then go back to sleep. These wall fragments will be of great help to me in completing the structural part of the ruins. The technique is always the same. After having engraved them with the pen, I proceed to press some bricks on one side and to completely extract the others. Once the sculpting stage is complete, I go through a rolled aluminum foil to get the desired texture. Finally, we are at the crucial moment. I have created all the points of interest: the main staircase, the staircase of the necromancer, and the ancient wall with the large window. Right from the start, I knew that everything would be layered. Now it's time to distribute the various pieces on a rough plot. This sometimes also means breaking or modifying the pieces created. The goal is to put everything together in an harmonious way, so that both playability and aesthetics are completely satisfied. It is a work of patience and inspiration. Everything must flow naturally and without fear of making mistakes. Each step takes me to the next stage. A tool that I find fundamental in this phase is the arch cutter. It allows you to make structural correction in real time, as if you were sculpting the piece as ideas emerge. Some pieces are assembled with PVA glue. It allows us to move and modify the piece thanks to the prolonged drying time. I use hot glue as a fixed point every time I find a well-defined element. Last scenic element, the ancient bridge over the valley, or what remains of it. I use other scraps of the Ophidian archway to complete it. Really a very impressive last touch. I am satisfied with the final shape. All the polystyrene support part will now be transformed thanks to the sculpt mold and other XPS foam. Now we can indulge ourselves with the details and the final phase. Crack on!
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!